During the school year, a lot of decisions about your child's learning are made by the school system. What they study, what success looks like, what activities fit the plan, and that makes sense. Schools have a job to do, but summer is different. Summer is your opportunity to guide their learning and their growth. In the summer, you get to make the plans, and your intentions are the foundation. What does your child need to grow right now? What would help them to be excited about their time? What would build their confidence, their skills, and their maturity? That is the power of summer. Summer does not have to be about just keeping kids busy, and it does not have to disappear into boredom or too much screen time. Summer can be fun and meaningful, flexible and productive. That is what the Super Summer Launchpad is all about. In this workshop, I will help you to intentionally think about your child's summer so that you can create a season filled with growth, fun, skill building, and just the right amount of adventure. Because a great summer does not happen by accident, it happens by design. So if you're ready to make this summer count, join me for the Super Summer Launchpad and walk away with a framework to help your child enjoy summer now and benefit from it long into the future. Let's make this summer a launchpad for growth, confidence, and possibilities. Register today.